Next on Fox 5 News at 10.
I'm Linda Schmidt at a military base here in New Jersey in what soldiers are calling one of the top 10 best Army inventions for our troops in Iraq. I'll tell you all about it coming up.
Plus, no water, no soap. The new device for your washing machine that actually gets your clothes clean and saves you money.
Plus, think you're eating healthy at the salad bar? Think again, from organic vegetables to the truth about fat-free dressings and the most important thing to watch out for.
Those stories and Neil Cavuto's business report next.
Fox 5 News, brought to you by ChevyOffers.com.